Welcome back to ProHack. We will repair this panel by cutting certain lines. This video is very important, so don't skip the video. Now we will identify which side is blocked. Ticon processor IC, Ticon memory IC, panel bolt is OK. In this situation, memory voltage is OK. If you want to understand, don't skip the video. The BGH, BGL and AVDD signal is missing because the panel is blocked. Source curve divided into two parts, right side and left side. To remove the block on the left side by cutter. If the block is not removed, again connect it. Right side block remove area.